What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You guys have been honestly fucking with me since day one. All that I want to do is just show love towards you guys and also ask if you guys want to connect in the comment section. Make sure you guys leave a comment and just let me know where you guys are from, how much you charge for a haircut. And if you have any problems with your business, you just leave it down below in the comment section and I'll try my best to get back at you guys. And if you guys have any further questions, you guys can also message me on Instagram and I'll be sure to respond to you guys. I want to just be able to connect with you guys and give you guys some value since you guys have also been fucking with me. So I just want to return the favor towards you guys. Either way, sub for more videos and I'll see you guys in the tutorial. Peace. What's going on YouTube? It's going to be a quick 4-minute blowout taper tutorial. So the first thing that we want to do, we want to create that first guideline with our soft trimmer. That's a trimmer that's not zero gapped. It just comes straight out of the box like that. Let's shave the area with our single foil shaver by Gamma. With the lever open, we want to create a 1 finger thick guideline. This measures the half. To erase it, we're going to start in the middle, hit the guideline in the midway point, and we're going to open it and go a tiny bit higher so then we can close it and now hit the beginning of the line. That's called middle open closed. Repeat that lever method about 2-3 times, then grab your 1 guard lever open. This measures the 1.5. We're gonna set another guideline on top of the line we just blended so then we can soften it, closing and then opening the lever little by little. That's called close to open. So the concept of that is just to work our way up as we open the lever so then we can attach our 0.5 guard and do the same thing. That should completely erase the second line. The next step is going to be to create another guideline with the 2 guard lever open on top of the line we just blended. So then we can go down with the grain and start detailing that area. Once we're done with the side tapers, I go down with the grain with the 1.5 guard to get rid of that bulk. Then I start at the center, work my way towards the left side, because this left side was a lot softer, a lot lighter, and I worked to the stronger side, which is the right side. Then connect it to the vertical line bars and straight razor everything before applying enhancements. For the enhancements, I applied some dark brown Tomb 45 enhancements. Once you lay the paint in, just make sure you guys straight razor and detail as needed. After that, we're gonna work on the backside taper. First with our Gamma hitters, I'm gonna set a 2 finger thick guideline, remove all of the bulk. Then with the lever open with our Gamma ergos, let's create a 1 finger guideline to blend. We're gonna stick with the closed middle open lever method, hitting the guideline at the beginning, putting it in the middle, hitting the guideline in the middle, and working our way up towards the top of the line by opening the lever. That should finalize the blend of the line. Then we want to repeat the process again. 1 guard lever open, this is the 1.5. So then we can close it and repeat that closed to open lever method. So we just want to work our way up, but in the second step and the second guideline, it takes 2 guards to blend that line out. So we go close to open with the 1 guard, that softens it, and to finalize the blend, we use our 0.5 guard and keep working our way up towards that line, but don't go all the way up. Imagine that you have about half of that room of guideline room to blend to go from close to open. So that should complete basically the rough draft of our taper. What I like doing after that, I like lining up the corners. Make sure that you guys don't just dig into it just to make it look crispy. Make sure it's as natural as possible. Repeat the process on the other side. Then we're going to start detailing our back taper. I have the lever open and I'm just flicking out towards those dark spots, guys. You guys have to use your eyes in these couple steps. You guys, it's not really as teachable. You guys just have to go in there and just do what you guys see in this video, but apply it in real life, and you guys will be able to get better through time the more that you guys do it. Now, since I already have the bottom line just lined up already of the neck taper, I use that butterfly comb just to have a better look of those little stranglers, the little small hairs. Just take your time around the ear. Just putting in those last second details is what's going to make your work pop, guys. This is how you separate your work from everybody else's. Applying a little bit of enhancements around the ear just so I can make it pop. Then I just go over it with my trimmer to get this final result. This is a blowout high taper, guys. If you guys enjoyed the content, let me know down below in the comment section. Hit the like and subscribe for more videos. Peace.